Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix audio problem on your Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 11. So how to fix in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is click on start button and click here settings option. Okay, after that guys, click here update and security option. Click here, and after that guys, click here troubleshoot option, and after that guys, click here additional troubleshooter option. After that guys, click here playing audio option. Click here this option and click here run the troubleshooter. So guys, it is going for detecting the problem on your audio driver. If there are any problem, it will fix automatically. So select here speakers. If you use headphone, select this option, and if you use speakers, select this option. Okay, so we are using speakers, so we are select this option, and if you are select this headphone, then it will go for fix for audio. So click here next button and wait for some time until the fix this issue. So guys, click here yes open audio enhancement. Click this option. After that guys, speaker properties dialog is open. Now add close this window. Okay, and click here general tab and click here level and up down it. It is working. Click on it, enable and disable, and click here balance, and all these options should be like that. Click on OK, and after that click here advanced and select here under drop down this option. Okay, and click here test and check your audio is working or not, and select here this tab. Click on OK and close this window. After that guys, we are going for next method. Click here start button and click here file explorer. So click here this PC, right click on it and click here manage option. After that guys, click here device manager option. This device manager option and select here videos sound videos game controller option. Expand this option and this is your audio driver. Right click on it and click here update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Click here and close this window. Minimize this window and click here again. Right click on it and click here update driver and click here browse my computer for driver. Let me pick the list of available driver for my computer and select this option. Okay, this is your audio driver, and click here next. Click here yes button. So guys, it will automatically update it. Okay, now close this window and check your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Restart your system. Okay, and after that guys, we are going for next method. If your problem is not fixed, right click on this driver and click here uninstall device option and click here uninstall So guys, your audio driver will uninstall from here. You can see here there are no option. Okay, and this is. So after that guys, click here action and click here scan for hardware changes option. So guys, your driver will automatically reinstalled after clicking on this scan for hardware changes option. Okay, you can see here your driver will get reinstalled on your system, or check your problem is fixed or not. Okay, we volume up and close this window. After that guys, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Click here start button. Click here, right click on taskbar and click here task manager option. And after that click here file and click here run new task. And type here servics.msc and check this checkbox. And after that guys click here OK. And after that guys find here Windows audio driver service. Okay, this is your service windows. Restart it. Restart this service. Okay, and after that click here this service Windows audio endpoint. Restart it. And guys click here this yes button. There are two options, yes or no. So click here yes. Okay, and check your problem is fixed or not. Now close this window. After that guys click here, right click on this icon and click here sound and click here playback option. Okay, and right click on this area and uncheck it and again check it. Okay, after that guys click here speakers, configuration speaker, configure speakers, and after that click here select this option stereo and click here this is now working. Okay, test all if you want and select here stereo and click here next and click here next and click here finish button. Okay, same if you are using headphones you can see same this option you can do same. Okay, disable and enable. So guys if you are so guys I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.